video for y'all, man. Oh boy. So, you guys know, my primary residence, or the area that I call home is North Carolina, specifically Fort Bragg. And man, I know them squatted truck boys right now is mad as shit. Now, full disclosure, the previous Tahoe, the Black Mamba, when I would hook up a heavy trailer or whatever, she would look squatted. And the new Z71 squats a little bit too with a heavy trailer attached. But now, if you got a trailer, maybe you get away with it. But now, because of a new law that was passed in North Carolina, if you have a squatted truck, they are confiscating that shit. Like, now here's the thing, but the law was one thing, and then the different sheriffs in different counties kind of issued what they were going to do if they saw your vehicle like that in their county, right? And Durham County, Durham kind of, the sheriff there in Durham kind of was like, yeah, we're just going to write them a ticket, da, da, da. But Wake County, ooh! Wake County, aka the Raleigh area, yo, if you got a squatted truck, Tahoe, any of that, and you roll through Wake County, they are taking your shit. They're not writing a ticket. They're taking it. And they're going to use that law saying that it is unsafe to be on the road and confiscate your vehicle. And basically, you could get it back. They're going to hold it for 30 days or who knows how long, and they're going to hope that you can't afford to pay the impound fees to get your vehicle back. This is nothing new. I mean, they're doing this stuff with the street racing scene in Charlotte by taking people's cars, and cars that aren't even affiliated with street racing. So this is just a money grab because all of their budgets are getting pulled. But it wasn't just Wake County, Orange County, out in Wilmington, and I know where I'm at, going out towards our way in Cumberland County. Cumberland County said the same thing. That's, the greater Fayetteville area, that they're going to ticket and in some cases confiscate. And the sheriff out in Hope County, same shit. He's like, we're just going to take your shit. And because, they're, they're going to get their money, man. And if they take your squatted truck, say you got an $80,000, $90,000 truck and you got it squatted, they're going to take that truck, lift the ass end up, put some blocks in it, lift the ass end up, and they're going to sell that truck and feed their budget. So, congratulations, you dumbasses. Congratulations, you dumbasses. Evidently, the reason for the law, and this is how this works in pretty much every state. The reason for the law in the first place was evidently a congressman for the state, a state house person, was driving down the road, and somebody in a squatted F-150 didn't see the gentleman's Nissan Leaf. Two totally opposite vehicles, squatted, probably loud, straight pipe truck, electric, pussified car. Anywho's, this congressman who happened to be in Wake County, and you can thank Raleigh and Wake County for this, North Carolina. And evidently this F-150 that was squatted so heavy that the driver said that they couldn't see the car over the dashboard, so the driver told on himself. And then hit the Leaf when it came through the intersection. Now the driver in the truck was wrong. The light had already been red. They blew through the light, hit the Nissan Leaf, which they said they didn't see because this truck was squatted. And that congressperson or that state house person said, "Oh no, we're not doing this law." Because laws are only written when it actually affects the people that write the laws, right? I mean, I can tell you this. I can tell you this out of experience. I think it happened in North Carolina too. But when I was in Florida, a Miami State House representative, somebody that represented Miami for the state of Florida, up in Tallahassee, got hit with a red light ticket, and they weren't driving the car. Come to find out, I guess the valet took his car for a joyride or something. But that was enough for that state house representative to ban red light cameras. And I think something very similar happened in North Carolina too, because they're not working in Charlotte and stuff because a representative in Charlotte got dinged. on a red light camera. So when it affects somebody in government, then, you know, laws change. And unfortunately, that's what's happened with the squatted truck law. I want to know from you squatted boys, though. I want to know from y'all skinny jean wearing, you know, powder blue t-shirt wearing squatted truck boys. I want to know how y'all really feel, though. I know y'all got to be mad, man. Y'all got to be mad. That'd be like, now the next thing is, now this is the only way that you're going to unify, like, the truck scene, though. Now, if they now say, oh, you can't have a truck lifted higher than 4 inches or something, oh, no, that ain't going to fly. You know, you already know, everybody's coming out. The regular people that dislike lifted trucks, the rednecks, everybody, they're all going to come out and be like, nope, this is not going to fly. We're not doing this. But I thought it was funny. I thought it was something that I should address. Because I was just like, I saw this law earlier in the week, and I was like, is the governor really going to sign this shit? And the governor, it's a law. Like, they signed it. So, and it was just funny to see the different statements from the different sheriffs, which tells me, like, they was really not happy with the shit that was already going on in all the different counties with the squatted trucks. Now, to be honest, it is a thing in North Carolina. It's a bigger scene, I think, in South Carolina. And just so y'all know, South Carolina boys, when you come north of the border, if you cross the border and your truck is squatted, just because you have South Carolina plates, it does not mean that you're not going to get a ticket. They're still going to ticket your ass. Now, they may not try to confiscate your vehicle, but they will ticket your ass for that squatted truck shit. So, look, man, I kind of put it like this. The same thing in the car scene, in the Mopar scene or racing scene, if you want to call it that. And I don't even like calling it racing scene, because it's not street racing. I hate that they put sliders into the aspect of street race. Street racing is when we line up somewhere and we have a quarter mile or half a mile of deserted road and we're running for some money. That's street racing. All that other shit, doing donuts and burnouts and shit, that's not fucking street racing. It's not. Stop calling it street racing. It's disrespectful. It would be like me calling the guy, so for my law enforcement people, for my cops, how would you feel if I called that motherfucker that's riding the Segway 350 fucking pounds around the mall a cop? A law enforcement officer. Y'all wouldn't like that shit, huh? How about the dude that's doing DOT duty and never work law enforcement? They're just doing, you know, traffic bullshit because y'all don't have enough staff to do it. Y'all wouldn't like that, huh? If we start calling them officers, huh? Nah. Stop calling people that do donuts and burnouts street racing. That shit is disrespectful. You know? So that's like calling the squatted truck scene like, oh, it's a lifted truck with a squat. No, stop calling it a lifted truck. It's not a lifted truck. It's a squatted truck. They squat the ass in. That is a whole different thing, man. Stop it. Stop it. Anywho's, I just wanted to address this with y'all, man. Throw a couple images of these trucks up on the video. I think they look ridiculous. I'm gonna be honest. I never understood the Carolina squat. I really didn't. You saw plenty of people make fun of it and destroy trucks like that, whistling diesel. And several. Look, man. Like I said, you kind of do stuff in your community to the point where then you draw attention to yourself, and then they're gonna write laws or change things to bust your balls. Keep your head down, stay out of people's way, and you'll be all right, you know? But it is what it is. I'm not happy about the situation. Anytime they're writing a new law or something that's automotive based, I don't like it, because I know it's usually on some bullshit. And this was on some straight up bullshit, so it is what it is. But with that said, let me know what you guys think about the squatted truck scene, and with them now writing laws, you know, and talking about confiscating people's squatted trucks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I know the squatted truck boys is gonna come for me. They're gonna be like, man, fuck you, TK, and you just don't know how it goes, man. You don't understand the scene. I don't understand that shit at all. I'm a lifted truck dude. I'm a massive horsepower in a car, dude. That's it. I don't know. But then again, you know, I don't wear skinny jeans. I like my balls to breathe. You know what I'm saying? I like to, you know, a good dick print is good, ladies. You know what I'm talking about? You know, you can have a nice little dick print in your jeans, but yo, some skinny jeans like that, son, nah, man. I can't do that. Nope. Nope. You bend over, you might split your fucking jeans. You can't run from nobody with them shits. Never mind, fight. So, nah, man, I'm good. So, like I said, it's a different culture thing. Some people like that shit. They want squatted trucks and skinny jeans and pink t-shirts. Have that, man. You know, I'm going to continue to wear, you know, proper attire, lifted trucks, cars with massive amounts of horsepower, you know, man shit. That's what I'm going to continue to do. But, oh, man, this is going to go bad. Anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all very much for watching. This is one of the bonus videos for y'all for the day. I wanted to address that issue, talk a little bit about it, and see what you guys thought about it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
Program here we fit.